what's weird is we just listened to, oh gosh, Careless Whisper in an El Camino. That doesn't seem right at all.
No, two men listening to Careless Whisper in an El Camino very close to each other. It's fine. Don't get your panties in a twist, everybody. Oh my goodness. There's that Posi-Traction rear end. Oh, wow.
Ready?
I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera, as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh my Lord.
Hey everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is still Fast Lane Classic Cars. I couldn't get it out there for a second, but there it is. Jake, why don't you tell everybody about what you've been thinking about lately?
Let me tell them everything. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down. Call us about this 68 El Camino or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, 92% of you that come back and watch these are not subscribed. That doesn't make any sense. It helps us out. Click the subscribe button below, and also while you're down there, click the bell, because then you get notified when we make cool videos about amazing cars like this. And speaking of amazing cars, Chris, tell us about this black El Camino.
Well, it's a 1968 El Camino, which in English means the Camino. This is got not the 396 that came with it. No, no, no. It's got a 454. It's black with a black tonneau cover and black bucket seats. 3-speed automatic TH400 transmission. Let's see, it's got tilt wheel. It's got power brakes, power steering. I love the tilt wheel, by the way. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's iconic looking, and I love the El Camino, especially black with the beautiful chrome bumpers. It's got Kragers.
I know.
So if your name's Craig, you got to buy the car.
Black muscle car with Kragers. You can't really get better than that. And the bucket seats. I mean, black on black El Camino. Can't beat it.
To drive this thing. Look at the steering wheel, for the love of
I know. It's got a cool updated steering wheel. You got a tack in there as well.
Got a cassette player.
You got a little bit of an updated stereo system. Some premier speakers behind the seats back there. Very
has
cool.
to be loud, because
and we
this is
tested
loud.
them, and they do work. And the radio working is a big deal on these older cars because not a lot of them have that.
We listened to some Peter Cetera earlier, and it was wonderful.
Absolutely, we did. Are you ready to drive this thing, Chris?
Can't wait.
Let's do it. Here you go, good sir.
Oh, why, thank you.
Your microphone.
Microphone.
I'm ready to sit in this awesome bucket seat. And here's a resto guy. Yes, sir.
Stay here for the night?
Yeah,
You can
throw
spend
those
the
on my
night
desk.
down here. Thank you,
Thank
Dano.
you.
He's Dano.
That's Dan. He's a great fella.
Dan is the man, as they call
He
him.
just brought us that yellow Plymouth over there.
The
Very
Plymouth?
cool. The Plymouth.
I know whose it is. His name is Jim.
I know whose it is too.
We're
Also a
working
nice
on it.
guy.
Nice
But-
guy, snappy dresser. I even know where he lives.
Oh my goodness. We're in
Anywho.
Black El Camino though.
We are El Camino.
We're going to focus on this. And we have air controls here in the middle. No air conditioning, I don't think.
Just heat.
But right now it's fall. We don't need air conditioning.
Right.
This has a big block. That's all we need.
That is all you need.
We also have this updated digital radio down here.
With a tape player.
It does have a tape player. Oh, wow.
Careless Whisper.
Oh, yeah.
Leave me alone.
Okay. That radio does work like we said. Very loud, actually. Yeah, we have the speakers back here mounted behind the seats. Kind of a surround sound situation we got going on right now.
You know, what's weird is we just listened to, oh gosh, Careless Whisper in an El Camino. That doesn't seem right at all.
No, two men listening to Careless Whisper in an El Camino very close to each other. It's fine. Don't get your panties in a twist, everybody. Oh my goodness. There's that Posi-Traction rear end.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's got a lot of cubic inches. This thing has so much torque. We didn't go up the hill, we just moved the hill behind us.
Yeah, it's like Chuck Norris doing with the hill.
Yeah. I think the rotation of the Earth is actually going to slow down now because we just started moving it in the other direction.
My goodness gracious.
Yeah, this thing is incredible. We also have,
around. Go on.
as it takes the roundabout very well, some digital gauges down here.
What?
Very cool, nice modern feature. Keep track of some of your metrics of your 454 up there. There's our tachometer. Also very cool, kind of an updated steering wheel that tilts. Can you tilt it for us, Chris? Oh, look at that. That's special. That's very special.
Wow, listen to her.
I know, it sounds so good. We also have cranky windows. They're not mad at you.
They just like to be cranked.
You just gotta crank them to put them up. Wow, it actually gets a little quiet in here with those up. Not that quiet though. You still hear that engine just fine.
Yeah, you do. It's not kidding around, this engine.
No, it's not kidding around at all. We also have a nice black headliner. It's not droopy anywhere. It's not torn or anything. It's in really good condition. You got sun visors that also do not droop. Very nice.
One thing Jake hates.
I know, beautiful dashboard as well with no cracks in it.
Oh, it's crackless.
I love that hood with the vents in the back of it.
Oh, the
like
hood
that.
is cool.
The
And
little
the paint
bulges.
job was done well.
Oh yes, this is one of the best black paint jobs I've seen in a while. And we gave it a really good detail before I shot it in the booth. Looks like a mirror in there, trust me.
It does.
And it looks like a mirror right now. I mean, it's a little dusty because Missouri doesn't know what it wants to do with its weather. One day it's
Figuring
hot,
it
the
out.
next day it's cold, then it's hot, then it's cold. There's leaves falling, there's grass getting blown everywhere, there's pollen for some reason in the middle of October. I don't understand it, but
It's mass hysteria.
yeah, black cars beware. But this thing, I would just drive it. I don't care if it gets dirty.
No.
I wouldn't want to stop driving it.
Don't ever stop. Don't stop,
listen-
can't stop, won't stop.
Listen to that lopey cam.
She's eloping.
Oh, she's eloping.
Come on, Tacoma.
And she's not marrying someone without telling anybody.
Right. That's a whole different
That's
type of
eloping. There's a difference.
See, we're all learning about some vocabulary, some driving. Some
This
El
is
Caminos.
comfy too. We
Yeah.
have shoulder belts, I just noticed.
Stop it.
There's one above your shoulder and there's one right here above my shoulder.
Well, isn't that something?
Probably should be wearing those.
Well-
Kids, wear your seatbelts.
Please.
Always wear your seatbelts. But we also have
Oh, no.
a cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
There's
And
your
as you-
ashtray.
Yeah, there's the ashtray down there. And as you can see, like the washer wiper and the lights over there, they have like a knob that you can
Dials.
grab onto. And they
Weird.
made the cigarette lighter look like a dial.
Oh, no way. How cool
so
is that?
when you put it into the dash, it looks like a dial, but it's really just the cigarette lighter.
Isn't that
Isn't
something?
that cool? They think of so many cool things back in the 60s.
By Chevrolet.
Including a bean test.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna try it out right now. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Jeez. And there's the power brakes.
You gotta love the power brakes.
That was only 35 miles an hour, not 60. We only do the speed limit here at Fast 10 Classic Cars.
That's right.
It's a guarantee.
Oh, boy.
That
Oh,
was quick
brother.
though.
Yeah, that was quick. I
And
mean,
it's not the lightest vehicle Chevrolet's ever made, so
it's the El Camino.
it needs all that torque to get it out of its own way, and it's
It's torquey.
it can get out of its own way.
Well, those tall gears in the rear really do help, folks.
Oh yeah, they do. They help a lot.
A lot.
I cannot wait to do
Hey,
a
look,
couple.
the kids are playing fall soccer.
Yeah, they are.
Isn't that nice?
I used to play fall soccer up here
You
and
used to.
spring soccer.
And spring. Well, look at him, double duty.
All right, I'm so ready to do some flybys on this thing.
Oh, you are.
It sounds good from the outside too, so I mean, this is going to be a treat. Oh wow.
Oh, boy. All right, I'm going to roll the window down for you.
So am I. Are you ready?
I was born ready. Holy cow. That is loud. Woo, that was fast. Good gravy. Oh my God, he chirped. How wonderful. Ooh, that's menacing.
Oh, hello.
I have a question for you.
What's that?
Did you chirp in second gear?
A little bit.
You did do a little, chirp.
bit. It did chirp. I mean, I didn't do it. It did it on its own.
Right.
I wasn't involved at all. I don't know what you're talking about. This thing is quick.
Yes, it is.
And that cam, this exhaust, perfect. I mean, I wouldn't change anything about it. The black paint is immaculate. It looks like a mirror. I mean, this is one of the coolest muscle cars we've had in a while. And I just love an El Camino. It's business in the front, party in the back. You can put, you know, anything in the bed. You can go to Home Depot, build a house. You never know.
You could.
You never know what you could get into
You
in
do
one of
whatever
these
you want.
things. I know. I love this car so much.
Well,
Are
good.
Are you ready to go back?
Yes.
Let's do it.